Tesla Model 3 was the American automaker's endeavor to make an electric auto that was available in cost to the mass-market populace. The final product is really admirable, however it isn't without its shortcomings. In an extensively short measure of time, Tesla has moved the needle on the electric auto development by a colossal sum, with its Model S car and Model X SUV turned out to be extremely prevalent. The new Model 3 should be a substantially more moderate passage-level offering. The Model 3 is a conservative car with a much lower value point than other Tesla vehicles, and in spite of this, the objective was to join relative reasonableness and portion selective innovation into a bundle that still precisely speaks to the Tesla mark. There is a considerable measure to unload here with regards to the Model 3. The pros: liberal standard equipment, although the base model is as yet not prepared available to be purchased yet, at a declared MSRP of $35,000. Standard highlights incorporate LED headlights and taillights, double-zone atmosphere control, warmed front seats, and an imaginative Tesla cell phone application that offers remote begin in a large group of different capacities. Inquisitively, blindside observing isn't standard and not by any means accessible as an alternative on any trim level. Fragment exclusive technologies. The moderate lodge in the Model 3 may appear to be misleadingly meager at first, however settled right in the focal point of the dashboard is a splendidly lit 15-inch touchscreen that controls the vast majority of the capacities in this auto, notwithstanding something as straightforward as directing wheel alterations is done through the screen. Obviously, the major ordeal here is that the standard 15-inch touchscreen is unfathomable in the Fragment, and Tesla is setting new models for infotainment setups here. Not finishing there, a Model 3 does not have a customary key like different vehicles. Rather, your telephone through a Bluetooth association fills in as the vehicle's critical. When you approach the auto with your telephone on you, the auto naturally opens. In the event of some unforeseen issue, 2 MasterCard estimated scratch cards are provided. That key card can both give you Section 2 the vehicle and in addition beginning it. Over-the-air security and programming refreshes are additionally a major reward. Tesla's autopilot equipment accompanies Model 3s, and clients can pay a charge to empower it when the product winds up accessible. It's fast. Teslas have become an incredible notoriety for being quick, and the Model 3 is no special case. Early tests saw the Model 3 run the quarter mile in 13.8 seconds at 101 miles per hour, which is sports auto region moment, and solid increasing speed is constantly valued.